guys, it's Lydia here, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you 5 different ways on how you can wear a plaid button-up. I live in plaid button-ups all winter long, and I actually got this video idea like back in March or something, but I figured that I would wait till now because I feel like plaid button-ups are just a fall staple, and because like everyone has them, sometimes you can get in a rut and wear them the same way every single day. So here are a few ways to change it up, wear it a little bit differently. I hope you enjoy this video, so let's dive in. I'm starting out with this red button-up I got from Goodwill, and these fringe jeans I made, and that video will be linked below. And then I am wearing these brown ankle boots I got from Amazon. So now let's show you how to put it all together. This first way is really simple. I'm just wearing the shirt by itself, and it's still really cute. For the next way, I just tucked in the front of the button-up, and I really like this look. It's polished and cute, yet still very casual. And the last way, just tie the two ends of the shirt together in the front. This one is probably my favorite out of the 3. It's so fun and cute and just adds a lot to the simple outfit. I'm starting off with this graphic tee that I made, and I showed you how to do that in a video I will link below. And then I am wearing this blue plaid button-up from Goodwill. And for my pants, I'm just wearing these simple jeggings from Goodwill. And last but not least, I am wearing these white sneakers I got from Walmart. And that is it for this outfit. It's super cute and casual and totally easy to customize to your own style. I'm starting off with this red plaid button-up I tucked into my jeans from Goodwill, and then this navy military jacket from Amazon. And then I am just wearing those fringed jeans from before. And lastly, I am wearing these brown ankle boots from Fred Meyer. And I am wearing a vest instead of a jacket here. I lost the footage I had for the jacket, but I wanted to show you how to wear it with a vest in case you're in a warmer area and don't want to wear an actual jacket on top. This is a little bit cooler and still has the cute fall vibe. I'm starting off with this blue and white striped sweater from Goodwill, and then this plaid button-up also from Goodwill. And I am just wearing those jeggings from before. And then I am wearing these polka dot sneakers I got from Goodwill. And there you go. I see this as kind of a fun, sporty spice look that's still super cute for fall and definitely works well for back to school. I'm starting off with this oversized coral sweater I got from Goodwill that I just tied in the front, and then I am wearing this navy blue button-up underneath, also from Goodwill. And then I am just wearing these skinny jeans from Walmart and these gold sneakers from Amazon. And there you go, a super cute, fun, bright, preppy outfit. This is perfect for fall or back to school or just any time you want to feel that fun, preppy vibe. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and be sure to subscribe below because I post fashion videos every Friday and hairstyle videos on Monday. And don't forget to comment below about which one of these outfits was your favorite and what video would you like to see next. Alright guys, bye.